Hello everyone! I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung meron akong upload na bagong video. Today's video, we will discuss about vaginal bleeding between periods or after sex. Bleeding from your vagina between periods or after sex can have a lot different causes. Ang babae, pag laging kang na vaginal bleeding, kailangan ka talagang magpatingin ng doktor. Hindi yan normal sa isang babae. Kinds of unusual bleeding is period problems, vaginal bleeding in pregnancy, including implantation bleeding, which can happen at the start of pregnancy. Postmenopausal bleeding. See a doctor if you are bleeding between periods or after sex. Urgency, a doctor if you have missed period, have unusual vaginal bleeding, and have pain anywhere in your abdomen and your lower abdomen or pelvic pain. Kasi ang unusual bleeding or lagi kang nagbi-bleed or spotting, baka could be a sign of ectopic pregnancies. The common causes of bleeding between periods is hormonal contraception, small growth in and around the womb, like polyps or fibroids. So, ay dinudugo din ang mga kababaihan. Ang sexual transmitted infections such as chlamydia, nagbi-bleed din yan. Yung bleeding naman after sex is changes to the surface of the cervix. Small growth on the cervix like polyps. So, lalo pag nagbi-bleed sila after sex. Vaginal dryness, isa din yun na mag-bleeding after sex. And as reminder, bleeding between periods or after sex can sometimes a sign of cancer. Kaya sinasabi ko, magpatingin talaga ng doktor kung mayroon kayong mga unusual vaginal bleeding. Any treatment you need will depend on what's causing the bleeding. So, sana guys, naintindihan nyo yun na ang bleeding after sex between periods or after sex. Napaka-importante ito guys sa ating mga kababaihan. Ang bleeding, mga hindi inaasahang mga spotting or unusual bleeding kahit hindi mo periods, baka yan ay sign na ng cancer. Kaya kailangan nyo nang magpatingin ng doktor kung lagi kayong nag-i-spotting or nagbi-bleed kahit hindi nyo naman periods. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys sa maiksi nating topic today about vaginal bleeding between periods or after sex. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa topic natin today at kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin, mag-comment lang below. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Lagi kong sinasabi kung may kakaibang nararamdaman sa katawan, magpatingin agad ng doktor. Prevention is better than cure. Remember guys, health is wealth. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers, non-subscribers, lalo na sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa suportang binigay nyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo lahat. May God bless us. Thank you for watching.